My name is Tom, and I first want to start with maybe a simple one, maybe known to all of you, but maybe not. What is ERP? ERP is an integrated software platform to manage and automate core business processes across different departments. And we see in the automation period that it's the top level. And ERP can communicate with underlying systems like MES systems that talk to the hardware, and underneath we have more systems all the way until the lowest level of sensor. And today we focus on ERP. But ERP can be a best of breed. So you combine multiple applications, amongst which can be Excel or a specific bookkeeping system. You combine all these applications into one landscape to form your ERP layer. However, there's also the best of suite approach, which is an all-in-one, which is Everywhere Business Central. It provides the ERP layer all in one system. So the benefits are that integration is under one roof, and the cost of ownership is lower. So you as a customer don't have to manage all these integrations between the systems yourself, with all these kinds of consequences. So today we're going to see a system that's within the best of suite principle. And how do we solve this with our Everywhere software? In the bottom left corner, we see the Everywhere 365 Business Central application, which basically is what you see behind your desktop. This is a web client, web-based application, and it's mainly for your office personnel to do administration and planning. And as an extension, we have the operations platform, which is basically the app platform to take Everywhere to the field, to your greenhouse, and keep ad hoc or planned registration, actuals registration, simple for your greenhouse workers. And with these ad hoc registrations, it's communicated back to the office, to Everywhere 365. And when all the data is in your database, you can, at the top, analyze it via Everywhere Analytics. And Everywhere Analytics can talk to your climate systems, which could be Priva or Hogendoorn, and we have standard connections with them. This is where your management information comes from. This is where all the hard work pays off, and your registrations turn into information, and you can make conclusions, make business decisions to improve your processes and your business, and be more efficient, be more effective, get your quality up. And that's the triangle that we try to aim for under one roof with one system. Today I want to talk to you about labor, and later we will see the time registration presented by Oshang. But first we need to understand one concept. It's the job concept. And the job concept within Everywhere is very important because it's the heart of the production module. Basically, there are 4 modules. It's finance, sales, production, and purchasing. And today we're going to discuss labor. So we need to understand where does the labor demand come from, and where does the costing come from, and where do the actuals registration end up. And this is all back to the job concept. And a job is it has a start and a finish, and you can compare it with building a house, for example. You have certain phases, you have activities that you need to perform to finish your house, to finish your plant growing, and they need materials and labor for it. So we have multiple phases in growing a plant. These can be configured by you during an implementation. In this case, I chose for nursery, potting, and then delivering. And there is input needed, and it will eventually also output material, which will go to stock, which you can sell or put in another job. And to get to a job concept like this in Everywhere, we have templates, so you don't have to do it for every job manually, and this can be an automated process. But this basic concept will come back later in the presentation a few times.